Ready for a laptop that's light as air but packs a beastly punch? A hot leak just dropped tonight for Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 Intel Core Ultra 9, a stunning 3K OLED, and a late April debut. Professionals are buzzing. Want the full scoop? Stick with me, this one's a hybrid work dream. Hey tech crew, welcome back to GadInsider. A juicy leak just hit the web this evening about Lenovo's ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13. We're talking next level Intel Core Ultra 9 processors, a 1/4-inch 3K OLED option, and a late April reveal that's got hybrid workers hyped. It is calling it a lightweight champ for pros on the go. Let's unpack why this leak's setting X on fire. So what's the tea? The ThinkPad X1 Carbon Gen 13 is leveling up with Intel's Core Ultra 9, a lunar lake beast with up to 8 cores, 16 threads, and a 5.1 GZ turbo boost for screaming fast multitasking. The leak teases a 1/4-inch 3K OLED that's 2880x 1800 pixels of inky blacks and vivid colors, perfect for presentations or late-night Netflix. At just 2.17 pounds, it's lighter than ever, making it a breeze to toss in your bag for office commutes or remote gigs. The leak hints at a late April debut, likely around Lenovo's spring event. With up to 32 GB of RAM and 2 TB SSDs, its mil-spec durability and eco-friendly build, think recycled carbon fiber for pros juggling Zoom calls and coffee shops. Why is this leak blowing up? Hybrid workers are obsessed. That 3K OLED's a game changer for editing docs or pitching clients with crystal clear visuals. The Ultra 9 chip means you can crunch spreadsheets, run VMS, or edit 4K video without a hiccup, all in a chassis lighter than a MacBook Air. Posts are calling it the ultimate WHA flex, with fans geeking out over the iconic ThinkPad keyboard and track point. It's 57 W battery for all-day juice, up to 11 hours for recent models, and Wi-Fi 7 for blazing fast connections. If Lenovo keeps the price near $2,000 like the Gen 12, it could dominate over heavier rivals like the HP EliteBook. This is pro-grade power with style. Alright pros, let's talk you. Picture snagging the X1 Carbon Gen 13. What's your move? Nailing a pitch with that 3K OLED? Coding all day with Ultra 9 speed? Or just flexing its feather light build at a client meet? Drop your hybrid work must-haves in the comments.